All right, so as we once again work on some 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, I need you to know your facts. If you don't know your facts, use your multiplication chart until you learn your facts. Brindley, you're too loud. Use your multiplication chart until you learn your facts. If you don't know your facts, practice at home. Don't make your teacher crazy. Now, there are various ways to do multiplication, obviously, that Brooklyn told me. So Brooklyn wants to see a problem first. Brooklyn asked me if she could do 72 times 63 is what Brooklyn asked me. So Brooklyn, we're going to start with that problem. We have a factor of 72 and a factor of 63. So make sure you have that written down. 72 times 63. And when we do this, we always, and the rock means always, start with our ones place. We start with our ones place. So we take our ones place in the second factor, which in this case is a 3. And I multiply that ones place times ones place times tens place. Okay? So what's 3 times 2? 6. And what's 3 times 7? 21. I have nothing to carry the 2. So this is 216. What you just did, let me show you what you just did. If you want to break the problem apart, that might make it easier for you. What place value is the 3 in?
No, tens. I mean tens.
Ones.
Sorry.
So how much is 3 ones worth? 3. So you took the factor of 72 and you multiplied it by 3.
Yeah.
Very much so.
Which was actually not too bad.
What place value is the 6 in?
Tens.
Tens. What is 6 tens worth?
60.
60. So then you multiply 72 times 60. You're about to move over by yourself.
But 72 times 3 doesn't equal 21.
No, it equals 260. So that's what we did. 72 times 3 equals 216. Okay, now we're doing 72 times 60. Okay, now since I'm starting in my tens place, I have to put my 0 here because I'm starting in my tens place. That means my first number has to be in my tens place. So I'm kind of done with that 3. I go 6 times 2 is 12.
Put that 2 there, put that 1 there.
Carry my 1. 6 times 7 plus 1. 43. I add these two products together.
4,516.
6, 3, 5. 4,536.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally.
4,536. Now, if it's easier for you to break it apart like this, where you multiply by the ones place, and then you multiply by the value of the number in the tens place, do that. Then you're just multiplying this out very easily, and you add these two together. Yes, sir.
Are you allowed to work on food?
No, groups of 2 or 3.
I finally got to do that, so yeah, you probably already know it, but
Yeah.
that's for you.
Yeah.
If I haven't talked to Patty, but
Hey, come here. This is my, come here.
hi,
This is my sister, Miss Smith.
I'm
Hi.
interrupting. Sorry.
No, go ahead. Huh?
Really? Party?
It's a
My
party.
sister.
Oh yeah, yes.
No, you asked if you were
Anyway.
recording. Yeah, his phone's
Remember how you were
I'd
thinking?
rather have Leia in.
Oh really? Okay, then let's do that.
She has a chance to improve. You start with 23, you've got a
Okay.
better chance to come up.
Okay. But anyway, I'm leaving that for you.
All right, thank you. All right, so 2 different ways we've looked at that you can solve it. Let's look at another one.
I never knew you were
Yay!
recording.
Huh?
I never knew you were recording.
Yeah.
I never did that with my sister.
I don't really
Can I pick a number?
guess I need to tell you I'm recording.
I didn't do that with my sister.
Okay, give me a 2-digit number. Hey,
39. My action word.
Maya, give me a 2-digit number. Okay, let's get an idea of what my answer might be. Brooklyn, 39 is close to what?
40.
Thank you, Brooklyns. Evidently, there's 2 Brooklyns in here because I had 2 answers. Brooklyn, 51 is close to what? 50. So I want to get an estimate of what my answer should be close to. If I have zeros here, I can just put 2 zeros down because these both end in a 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So my answer needs to be somewhere in the vicinity, in the ballpark, near, around
2000.
2,000.
And
Needs to be somewhere around 2,000.
this is my answer.
Okay, now we start with our ones place, which gives us 1 times 1, which equals, back up. 1 times 9 equals
One time. That's 9.
9.
What's that 20?
1 times 3 equals 3.
I'm not giving you that.
Okay, now I'm going to the tens place,
Put that 0 there.
so I got to put my placeholder. And what I just did
45.
is 39 times 1 equals 39.
Easy.
Now I'm doing 39 times 50.
What is it?
Okay, 5 times 9 is
45.
45. 5 times 3 is
18. And
plus
9
4
is
is
19.
19.
And then you get the answer of 1,989.
That's around the
9, 8, 9, 1.
It's no more.
1,989. Is that close to 2,000?
Yes.
That's in the ballpark. That's pretty close.
I thought it
It's
was
not a whole
25.
bunch. It's not a whole
That's pretty
bunch.
close.
It's like the
It's not
middle.
one. He's kind of like a. It's kind of like a miss. Like you were two.
Okay, so we were pretty close. Hayden, stop talking all the time.
I'm gonna give you a 2-digit number.
Huh?
I'm gonna give you a 2-digit number.
All right, these 2 lovely gentlemen are going to give me a 2-digit number in just a second. 2-digit number.
20.
Good, 21. 2-digit number.
11.
Okay, 11. All right, first of all, we're going to estimate. What's 21 close to?
20.
20
10.
times 10. I have 2 zeros at the back of the number in the ones place. I put my 2 zeros down. 2 times 1 is 2. So my answer needs to be somewhere in the ballpark of 200.
Yep, I'm close.
If I want to break it down, I'm multiplying 21 times 1 and 21 times 10. So that's what I'm doing if I break it into parts. 1 times 1 is
1,
1. 1 times 2 is
2.
okay. So my ones place, which is 21 times 1, should give me 21. Now I'm moving to the tens place. My first number needs to be in the tens place. Now, looking at your papers, this is a part that caused a lot of problems to be wrong. Forgetting to put that 0 in on the second line.
Now I'm used to putting it.
Yes.
Now we go through, we're multiplying. This is the value of 10, so 110. 1 times 1 is 1 times 2 is, add it together, we get 231. Is that in the ballpark of
Yes.
200? That's pretty close.
It's not
It's like you went over it by 31 meters.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but it's
No.
in the
Well, we rounded this down and we rounded this down. So our estimate is going to be lower. Our estimate of 200 is going to be lower than our answer because we rounded these both down.
Let Hayden
Yeah,
erase
right,
it.
yeah, right, yeah, right.
Yes, right. Yeah,
Yes. Are we supposed to write these down?
You're supposed to be. Yes, we'll do one more.
Okay,
You guys let us do it on our own.
Okay, I'll give you one to do on your own. Karen, give me a number.
55.
55. Grayson, give me a number.
99.
Watch.
Solve it.
Okay.
I know.
60s.
Easiest question.
And multiply. So take a moment, work it out. I showed you what your estimate would be. About 60 times 100. So your answer needs to be somewhere in the vicinity of 6,000.
Oh, I'm close.
If your answer's not in the vicinity of 6,000, then you'll probably cry.
I'm in like Mr. McMurdo. Am I in the area or am I out?
That's in the vicinity of, yeah.
Yes, I'm in the vicinity. Wait a minute.
See, when kids do this, they're just really trying to smell their armpit. Just, you know.
I didn't do that. Oh, that's him.
They're doing that.
Yeah, dab. Ooh, I need to dab some deodorant on me.
Jaden did it on Yahoo.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right, so now hopefully you've taken some time and
No, they didn't just try.
worked it out. You don't have to look at them. Keep going. Keep going. And if it was broken into parts, it's 55 times 9, and it's 55 times 90 if it's broken into parts. So if this makes it easier for you, do this, then add the products together. 9 times 5 is
45.
45. 5, carry my 4. 9 times 5 is
49.
45 plus 4 is 49.
Go to your local hero store and buy
Okay? We're done with our ones place.
zero.
Now, but let me just explain a little something to you right now. The number in the ones place and the number in the tens place are the exact same number. So once you put your 0 at the end, you just put 495 in front of it.
5949. I mean 594. Whatever.
And then we add our two products together.
5.
Let's do this.
Let's do 5,445.
5,445.
Got him. Yes. All right. How did you get
How did I get the 9? All right, to get the 9, okay, I multiplied 9 times 5, which is 45. 9 times 5, which is 45, plus 4, which gives you 49. That's where the 9 came from.
Yay! I got it. On the bottom. Oh, this is what I made of.
Same thing. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry my 4. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 49. All right, now, if you would like